I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. This is our student Shreya. She got placed in a company. Now she's going to share the experience about PySpiders.
I would like to share my experience. I've joined Q Spiders in the month of June and I got placed by September. I think being a non-IT student, I was doubting on myself that will I get placed because of huge competition, and luckily I got placed. And the trainings here are like it is different compared to other training institute. They teach you from the scratch, which helps you to upgrade yourself, and trainers here are very friendly. If you have any doubt or anything, you can feel free to ask anything. And I think that closeness helped us. And yeah, I would like to thank PySpiders.
Okay, who took your classes like Python?
Python, K Shreya sir have taken, and SQL Murli sir. And like I got placed in between of the course itself.
Okay. How was the boot camp and mock interview? Like helpful to crack the interview?
Yeah, like daily present, because of doing daily presentations, that helps you remove the fear of public speaking. And yeah, that helped me. And mock interviews, I've attended only SQL mock interview. So yeah, that's it.
Okay. I wish you all the best for the period.